Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. This is my series, 21 Days to a Happier, More Attractive You. And today we're going to talk about connecting with Source. And you may say, that's impossible, I've never done that. Yes, you have, and I'll tell you how and why. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button, but let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to talk about connecting with Source today. And again, in my videos, if you have any questions or comments, please write them in the comments and I'll get back with you to help you. So connecting with Source, and you may feel that's impossible to do. It's not. And what Eckhart Tolle says, you're not good by being good. You're good by having a change of consciousness and finding the goodness that is within all of us. And you've tapped into that before. Have you ever spent time in nature watching a sunrise or a sunset? Maybe a beautiful rose, a mountain landscape, the smile of a child, that you were so touched that you just observed and there were no labels. It's what Thomas Merton calls the cosmic dance. And in those moments that usually are few and far between, there's no labels, but you feel centered, because that is when you are tapped into your inner self and to God. But the good part is that you can access that whenever you want with just a little practice. You don't have to wait for that sunset or that beautiful vista. The one way to connect with God and with Source is spending time in nature. Spend some time on a walk with no labels. Just observe. Because when you have that moment, that's all you're doing. You're observing. There are no words. And another thing I like to do, you've all heard, be still and know that I am God. So before you spend time in quiet, repeat this. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know. Be still. Be. And that pretty much is a mouthful. That says it all. So, but how do you do this? How do you practice it? You practice it by every day spending at least a few minutes in silence connecting to your inner self. Maybe picture yourself surrounded by white light and get in touch with God's power, wisdom, and love. Think about it and have it permeate every cell of your mind and your body. And if you do this a few times every day, even once a day, within a few months, you're going to see a big transformation in yourself. And I also suggest do it now, not when there's a crisis. Do it now, because then if a crisis comes, you find the peace and the love within yourself because you've already tapped into it. So that's what I ask you to do this week. Spend a few minutes with God's love, power, and wisdom permeating every cell in your mind, your body, and your spirit. And you're going to tap into that wonderful feeling of peace. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. But I'll see you tomorrow.